I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 21. In competition, the average revenue curve of a firm is. In the competition, the average revenue curve of a firm is A. Below the marginal revenue curve, B. Downward sloping, C. The marginal revenue curves, D. Convex of the origin. So we'll look at two concepts: the average revenue curve and also the marginal revenue curve. So the marginal revenue curve, referred to that as MRC, is basically a curve that represents relationship between marginal revenue recorded from sale of outputs or produce and quantity of outputs sold. That is what the marginal revenue is. Now, its curve basically is basically something like this, where you have marginal revenue on the vertical axis and quantity on the horizontal axis. Now, the marginal revenue curve is usually this way, and then the average revenue curve is usually, or most times, found above the marginal revenue curve. So you have ARC, average revenue curve, and then you have marginal revenue curve below it. But however, under competition, the marginal revenue curve MRC is usually equal or the same as ARC. So with that said, the correct answer is C, which is the marginal revenue curve. So C is our correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.